So, good morning, all of you. So, today we're going to start the lecture of computer graphics. So, that I am going to already share that the aim of today's lecture is what are the contents that we are going to cover today is first of all that yesterday's program that we have already completed that we have to start and some of the students that face the problem काही मुलांना प्रॉब्लेम फेस झाले आहेत त्यांनी प्रोग्राम करताना एरर आली आहे आपण ती एरर पण सॉल्व्ह करूया आणि आजचा जो आपला प्रोग्राम आहे कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स मध्ये ट्रायंगल कसे ड्रॉ करायचे आणि कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स मध्ये रेक्टँगल कसं ड्रॉ करायचं काल आपण लाईन कशी ड्रॉ करायची आणि सर्कल कसं ड्रॉ करायचं ते शिकलेलो आहोत आज आपण ट्रायंगल आणि रेक्टँगल कसे ड्रॉ करायचे ते शिकणार आहोत तर काल जे मुलांना प्रॉब्लेम आले काही जणांकडे विंडोज 7 आहे तर विंडोज 7 मध्ये .NETचं फ्रेमवर्क आपल्याला इन्स्टॉल करावं लागतं मी तुम्हाला वेबसाईटची लिंक पाठवतो त्या वेबसाईटच्या लिंकवर तुम्हाला डॉसबॉक्स जेव्हा इन्स्टॉल करता तुम्ही तेव्हा तुम्हाला विंडोज 7 मध्ये .NETचं फ्रेमवर्क इन्स्टॉल करावं लागतं पण विंडोज 8 विंडोज 10 आणि विंडोज 10 मध्ये तुम्हाला काही इन्स्टॉल करावं लागत नाही डायरेक्टली that you are going to start your DOSBox Turbo C++ तुम्ही स्टार्ट करू शकता तर मी आता स्क्रीन शेअर करतोय सगळ्यांना ही स्क्रीन दिसत असेल बघा ब्ल्यू कलरची स्क्रीन सगळ्यांना दिसत आहे का
येस सर
तर आपण जो कालचा प्रोग्राम केला होता तो प्रोग्राम बघूया पहिले First of all, our yesterday's program is what that I am going to open. So our yesterday program is for CG1. आता आपला कालचा प्रोग्राम काय होता बघा आपण प्रॅक्टिस प्रोग्राम फॉर लाईन अँड सर्कल तर या प्रोग्राम मध्ये करताना काही जणांना कंपायलेशनचा एरर आलाय तर कंपाईल करताना मी इथे लिहितो बघा कंपाईल सो कंपाईल कसं करणार अल्टर प्लस सी सो दिस इज फॉर कंपाईल आणि एक्झिक्यूट कसं करणार ALT प्लस R सो दॅट इज एक्झिक्यूट युअर प्रोग्राम अल्टर R आणि अल्टर C काही जणांचं काही जणांच्या माऊसचा प्रॉब्लेम येतो माऊस डिटेक्ट नाही होत तर काही हरकत नाही तुम्ही कीबोर्डनी डायरेक्टली अल्टर सी दाबल्यानंतर डायरेक्ट तुमचा प्रोग्राम कंपाईल होणार आणि अल्टर R दाबल्यानंतर तो प्रोग्राम तुमचा एक्झिक्यूट होणार तर आपला कालचा प्रोग्राम होता बघा टू ड्रॉ द लाईन अँड सर्कल हिअर यू हॅव टू इन्क्लूड फर्स्ट iostream.h इथे आपण .h घेतो आणि उबुंटू मध्ये in Ubuntu only take iostream .h consider करायचं नाही in Ubuntu मध्ये कसं करणार तुम्ही #include ओके डायरेक्ट iostream.h तुम्ही कॅपिटल मध्ये लेटर मध्ये लिहिलं तर तुम्ही स्मॉल लेटर मध्ये लिहू शकता तिथे then graphics.h then conio.h these are the files you have to include then main function that is I have taken int as an integer data types तर तिथे integer data types घ्या wait for the minute that's someone added and this is the DOSBox okay now go forward here detect that is int main function okay main is a function because of I am using here opening bracket closing bracket that's why it's the main function okay opening means this is beginning of your program and this is your close the program int detect means detect means what? That graphics driver I am going to detect. Okay, so that is auto detection. That is whatever the drivers is there, that is going to auto detect it. And GM is graphics mode. Graphics mode is 640 480. आणि प्रत्येक वेळेस तुम्हाला म्हटले ग्राफिक्सचा प्रोग्राम असताना तुम्हाला इनिट ग्राफ लिहावं लागेल. इनिट ग्राफ मीन्स इनिशियलाइज द ग्राफिक्स. Initialize the graphics that you have to pass and GD and GM and here C column turbo C3 path हे तुम्हाला लिहावं लागेल. And BGI is for Borderline graphics interface. Line, that is the inbuilt function. This is inbuilt function I am using, and what are the parameters I am passing here? See the line 10, 10 that is x1 y1 and 100, 100 that is x2 y2. म्हणजे 10 10 हा माझा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट आहे आणि 100 100 हा माझा एंडिंग पॉइंट आहे. म्हणजे माझी लाईन कुठून चालू होणार 10 10 पासून आणि एंड कुठे होणार 100 100 ला. Now the circle. So circle having or what are the parameters? 200 200 is the center of the circle. XY is the center of the circle and 50 is the radius. So that I have explained over here in the comment. And the comment कसे लिहिणार तुम्ही to backslash. Get ch, read any character, close graph and return 0 and this. These things you have completed yesterday. Again another program, what? The CG2 program that you have completed. That is again the practice program. This is the practice program we have completed, the same. But here what? The x1 y1 I am using, see the x1 y1 and x2 y2. These are the variables I have considered as an integer data types. And x, y, r, these are the x, y center of the circle and r is the radius. Again I have used the init graph. See out, enter the coordinates of the line, first point and the last point, so that the point I am going to store in x1, y1, x2, y2 value. Now once I have stored there, that I can pass in the line function. So line function I have already told you. So this is the line function having how many parameter? 4 parameter, x1, y1, x2, y2 you have to pass. So line is going to draw. Then I am going to read what? Enter the center of the circle and then radius. X, y is the center and r. So that you have to use the C in. Now that is going to draw the circle, get ch, close graph and return. And this is the end of your curly bracket. So these things we have completed yesterday. Now what is our today's task? So today's our new program is for what? Today's the new program is for aim of the today's program. I am closing it and then I can start it because of it's showing some not showing small letters. Okay. Just wait a minute. I am going to quit. Yes. Cancel. Suppose I am not going to show this program. Again, I have to quit this. No. Okay. Screen sharing and stop the sharing. Okay. See, suppose in between your program is going to start. Okay. Now here I am sharing the screen. Okay. So that I have start the sharing the screen like this. I have minimized this. Now I am going to again to my D column. In D column I have already stored this turbo C folder and in turbo C++. And then you have to start like this. And here you have to use a start C++. Okay. Now here I can type the program. Again I am going to stop the sharing. Only I am going to share the blue screen. So that is very easy to all. So is there visible to all this blue screen? Dear all student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is our today's program is a new file I have already taken there. So this is the command I am going to say, that is the aim practice program for rectangle. First about the triangle and rectangle. Okay. Now, how we can start here by using hash include. First of all, you have to say what IO trim dot h header file. Okay. And second, you have to include is what? Include graphics.h header file. Okay. Third, you have to include is what? Include third conio.h header file. Wait for a moment. Hello. माझं लेक्चर चालू, मी लेक्चर चालू सांगतो. हो हो. Okay. Now continue. Conio.h. Now here I am going to take int. Int is our data types, and here you have to start main. Okay, main is my function, and here I have to say your int gd. Gd is equal to what? Detect and gm. GM, correct? GM is graphics mode. Then init graph. In init graph, I have to pass and GD and GM, and here I have to provide in double quote. Here I have to provide in the double quote what? Path. Turbo C3, okay, and BGI. BGI is what? My Borderland graphics interface that I have to use only. I am using our program name as in cg3.cpp. Our third program. This is our third program. That's why I am taking cg3.cpp. Now, what I am going to draw the rectangle. Suppose the rectangle I am going to draw. So here rectangle is not the inbuilt function. जर आपल्याकडे इनबिल्ट फंक्शन नसेल तर आपण काय करणार? 1 by 1 लाईन घेणार. आता समजा मी एक लाईन घेतली. सपोज सिंपल आय एम टेकिंग द लाईन. Here I am taking a simple line. Line, we get some 100, 100, okay, and then 200, 100. See, here I am extracting only the x coordinate. आपण जेव्हा प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम घेतला तेव्हा आपण काय घेतलं होतं 100, 10, 10, 100, 100. म्हणजे ती जी लाईन होती एक्झॅक्टली 45 डिग्री. Because of both the values I am increasing directly, but here I am increasing only the x value. This line is parallel to the x-axis, correct? This line is parallel to the x-axis. Now we have the second line draw karto. Line, suppose that is my starting point is 100, okay? And I am taking the 150 or 50-50 gives 50 enough. Those 50 and 50 is my another line. And again, second line is what I am going to take, that is the 200, 100. Okay, 200, 100. And then I can take over here 50-50. Okay, so this is the three lines that indicate our what? Rectangle. But rectangle is not the inbuilt function, but I am going to draw the rectangle by using line. Then you have to use the get ch, that is read any character. Then I am using the close graph, close the graphics, and return 0. Okay. Now, in previous to program, I am writing this return 0 and then close our curly bracket. Now here I am some modify. See the little bit modification I am going to perform over here. Here I am writing void, and once I write the void, so that is not going to return anything. The function should not go nothing. Function should not going to return anything function should not going to return anything. So that's why I'm going to remove the int and I'm writing the void. Void function is not going to return anything. So that's why I'm writing the void. So what void means what? Function should not return any value. What do you mean by void? Suppose I am writing the void before the function. So that what indicate that function should not going to return any value. Now I'm going to show this program. Okay. Then that program I'm going to save. Then I'm going to compile the program by using compile. Okay, that shows the warning 0 and error 0. Then I'm going to execute the program. So that is going to draw the triangle. Is there visible to all these triangles to all the students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how I am going to draw this triangle? I am not going to use any kind of inbuilt function. I am using only the line as an inbuilt function. Means triangle is not the inbuilt function. Okay, but I can draw the triangle. Now just press any key and that is going to returns to your program. So that is the general warning that you just say the yes. Now go for the next one. I am going to draw the rectangle. So rectangle is the inbuilt function. So for rectangle, I can say this 210 is my starting point, and 300 and 300 is my ending point. Okay. Or you may say that is a 200. Don't get the confused because we have to go to the easy way. And this. So see, what is the rectangle? I am writing the 200 is my starting point x1 y1 and this x2 y2. So what are the remaining points? The remaining points that rectangle can draw automatically by their own. Suppose I am going to save this program. Why save the program and go to the compile the program. Okay. So that shows the warning and error 0. Then goes to the run the program. So see, so that I have considered the first program is for our triangle and second program is for our rectangle. So both are going to draw. So are you able to see this all this triangle and rectangle both? Turn on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, do you have any question? Dear student, do you have any question? Okay, no question. Means that the program you have understood. So this program I am going to save, okay, as in cg3 dot, and I am going to put this save as, okay, cg4.cpp. So this cg4.cpp I am going to save as, means that is a rename. So this is the things that I am going to read from the user. Suppose I am going to consider the values. What are the integer values? Suppose I have to consider x1, y1, okay, x2, y2, correct? And x3, y3. Okay. So these are the coordinates that I have considered for triangle coordinate. And int suppose xx1, yy1, xx2, yy2. These are the coordinates for rectangle, correct? Now suppose you are going to forget what is meant by rectangle and what are the parameters you can pass. So go to the rectangle and here you have to click right click. जर आपण इथे right click केलंय, so that is going to show the what are the parameters you have to use over here in the rectangle. Means that is the help. जर तुम्हाला कोणत्याची help लागली आहे in the exam also you can use this help. एक्झाम मध्ये पण तुम्ही हेल्प यूज करू शकता. आता याच्यामध्ये काय म्हणलंय बघा, वाईट फॉर रेक्टँगल हॅव्हिंग व्हॉट, रेक्टँगल हॅव्हिंग INT लेफ्ट, INT टॉप, INT राईट अँड INT बॉटम. म्हणजे लेफ्ट टॉप, राईट बॉटम, म्हणजे 2 corners are there. So only I am passing these 2 corners. So remaining points they can calculate automatically. Suppose I have forget the coordinate for the line. So just go to the line and here you have to right click. So that shows what is meant by line, line real and line 2. Okay. So these are the function that you can take the help. The help घेत असताना कसं करा, only you have to right click. For help, here I am writing the for help. Alt plus F1 or press. Okay, so these are the points you can do. See, the for any kind of help you need in between, so you can right click the mouse or press Alt F1. So what is this Alt F1? That is going to show the help for that. Okay, now go for this line. Now here go for this line and then here you have to type what is the thing that you are going to type. Cout enter the coordinate of rectangle. Okay, then semicolon, then I'm using Cin directly over here. X1 Y1 X2 Y2 X3 Y3. So I can directly use over here, so that is going to draw. Now I'm going to replace over here what's X1 Y1 X2 Y2 X1 Y1 X2 Y2. Okay, here I am going to replace is what X1 Y1 X1 Y1, correct, and here 50-50 what my third point X3 Y3. Now again here is what my X2 Y2 X2 Y2, correct, and then X3 Y3. Everybody understood? Just I am replacing, what I am replacing the coordinates with the values. पहिले मी काय घेतलं होतं, डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यू घेतल्या होत्या. आता काय करणार मी, कोऑर्डिनेट्स घेणार. तर युजर ज्याप्रमाणे व्हॅल्यूज टाकणार, युजर ज्याप्रमाणे व्हॅल्यूज टाकणार त्याप्रमाणे तुमचं एक्झिक्युशन होणार. नाउ गो फॉर द here you have to use the cout. Okay. Enter the coordinate of rectangle. Sorry, here you can say the triangle. Here you can say the rectangle. So Cin XX1 YY1 XX2 YY2, correct, and then close. Now that you can replace here XX1 YY1. xx1 yy1 xx2 yy2. Everybody understood? Now I am going to save this program. Okay, I am going to save this program and then I am going to compile this program. So after compilation, that shows warning 0 and error 0. Now I am going to run this program. So run the program. So see, they enter the coordinates of the triangle. Suppose I am going to enter the coordinates of the triangle 100, 100, okay, 200, 100, 150, 150. So see, the triangle is going to draw. Now the next line is what? Enter the coordinates of the rectangle. Suppose I am going to say the rectangle is 200, 200 and 400, 400. So that is going to draw the rectangle. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
So is there any question? Have you understood? Do you have any question? Dear student, is there question that you are facing? Just tell me frankly.
Sir,
बोला.
Sir, how do you know that a rectangle is an inbuilt function or not?
Yes, how you know that? Suppose I am going to use the function. Here I am going to use the function. What? Triangle. Okay, and then I am use some value over here. Suppose 10, 10, and here 30. These are my parameters. And then I am going to compile. I am going to compile. So that shows the error. What the error? Function triangle should have a prototype. Because of this triangle function is not the function inbuilt. जर तुम्ही ट्रायंगल असं घेतलंय आणि ट्रायंगलच्या ठिकाणी असं राईट क्लिक केलं तर ट्रायंगल नावाचे कोणते तुम्हाला हे दिसणार नाही. पण तुम्ही लाईन्स मध्ये गेला आणि लाईनला राईट क्लिक केलं तर लाईनची फंक्शन तुम्हाला दिसणार, लाईनचे असे पॅरामीटर दिसणार, डिक्लेरेशन. तसं तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये ट्रायंगल मध्ये काहीच दिसणार नाही, कारण ट्रायंगल हा नाहीच आहे. TRI ट्रायप्लेक्स फॉन्ट आहे. ट्रायंगल नावाचे इनबिल्ट फंक्शन नाही आहे. तुम्ही रेक्टँगल मध्ये जरी गेला, आता रेक्टँगल मध्ये गेलो तर रेक्टँगल मध्ये मी राईट क्लिक केलंय तर बघा रेक्टँगल मध्ये पण मला दिसलाय तो graphics.h मध्ये आहे. म्हणून आपण ट्रायंगल ही इनबिल्ट फंक्शन नाही आहे. ट्रायंगल आपण ड्रॉ करतो दुसऱ्या इनबिल्ट फंक्शनने बाय युजिंग अ लाईन. अगेन एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Because of this is a simple program. Okay, so that's the first program what you have learned today. The first program that I'm going to save. This is the first program that we have learned today. Today is what? CG3. By using directly the values, I'm going to draw this, that I'm going to execute again, so that you can remember. So these are the two things that we are going to draw. Now the second program what you have done, so that I'm going to store. Okay. Now the second program is for what? Is our CG4. Okay, and that also we are going to execute. And this is again we are going to draw. Suppose I am going to say again 100, 100, 200, or suppose I have increased the 300, 300, 200, and 150 or 140, 140. Okay, so this is the triangle is going to draw. Now rectangle I have to say 10, 10, and 200, 200. See that is going to overlap. I have said that 100, 100. Okay, so these are the two programs that we have discussed today. You have to hands on this program. Hands on means स्वतः तुम्ही टाइप करा. हे स्वतः टाइप केल्यानंतर आपल्याला प्रत्येक फंक्शन कळते, म्हणजे प्रत्येक फंक्शन मध्ये आपण काय काय लिहितो, फंक्शनचे पॅरामीटर कळतात आपल्याला, आणि जर कोणती हेल्प लागली तर आपण डायरेक्टली हेल्प घेऊ शकतो. दिस इज द वन ऑफ द ऍडव्हान्टेज ऑफ टर्बो C++ इन द विंडोज. परंतु समजा मी हाच प्रोग्राम कुठे टाइप केला, उबुंटू मध्ये. मी आता नेक्स्ट हे 2-3 प्रोग्राम जे आपण घेतले आहेत हे आपण सिमिलर सेम प्रोग्राम उबुंटू मध्ये करू. म्हणजे मग तुम्हाला कळेल उबुंटू मध्ये आपण कसं एक्झिक्यूट करतो आणि उबुंटू फेडोरा मध्ये आपण कसं लिनक्स मध्ये कसं एक्झिक्यूट करतो आणि विंडोज मध्ये कसं करतो हे दोन्ही तुम्हाला कळेल आणि त्याप्रमाणे तुम्ही तुमच्या घरी स्वतः एक्झिक्यूट करू शकता. So this now the 4 program that we have completed till now. So that's the first program we have completed by using the line, second circle, third rectangle and triangle. Okay, हे तुम्ही सुद्धा करून बघा घरी. मी हे दोन्ही प्रोग्राम शेअर करतो आणि जमल्यास त्याचा व्हिडिओ जो आहे तो पण मी शेअर करतो. म्हणजे तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ तुम्ही कोणी लेट जॉईन झाले असेल, कोणी अगोदर जॉईन झाले असेल तर तुम्हाला त्या व्हिडिओ थ्रू पण कळेल कसे प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करतात ते. सो दॅट्स बोथ आर गोइंग टू डन. सो टुडे लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू एंड नाउ. In the next lecture that I am going to again explain these programs are how you are going to execute in your Ubuntu operating system. So that Ubuntu operating system you can take the installation by virtual Ubuntu operating system or the real. मी virtual कसं install करतात ते पण सांगणार आहोत आणि real मध्ये कसं करतात ते पण सांगणार आहोत. ओके, आणि आपलं लेक्चर एकदम असं फास्ट नाही होत आहे ना, सगळ्यांना कळत आहे ना? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
जर एकदम फास्ट झालं तर मला सांगा, मी अजून स्लो करतोय, कारण तुम्हाला समजणे हे महत्वाचं आहे. दॅट इज द मेन इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टूड इट. आणि सिंपल प्रोग्राम मधून आपण जाणार आहोत आणि नंतर मग थोडेसे कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोग्राम घेणार आहोत, थोडे कटिंग प्रोग्राम घेणार आहोत. पण सुरुवातीला आपण सिंपल प्रोग्रामच करणार आहोत. आणि दीज आर द प्रोग्राम्स ऑल फॉर द प्रॅक्टिस. तुम्हाला हे प्रोग्राम चांगले प्रॅक्टिस झाले तर तुम्हाला स्वतःहून प्रोग्रामिंग तयार करा, तुम्हाला स्वतःचा प्रोग्राम स्वतः तयार करता आला पाहिजे. आता दिस इज द प्रोग्राम दॅट आय एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अँड देन यू आर गोइंग टू राईट इट. बट सपोज you want to write the program for any ellipse, okay, or different circle or polygon, okay, arc, तर तुम्ही त्याचा स्वतःचा प्रोग्राम स्वतः तयार करता आला पाहिजे. That is the my main motivations over here for the practice program. Okay, so for today's point of view I am going to wind up this today's lecture. Okay, suppose you are having any problem that you can directly WhatsApp me. And then once you have sent the WhatsApp message, I will reply it. And again, you have to send me the screenshot also. Once you have sent the screenshot for whatever the problem that you are facing, that again we are going to correct it. So today I am going to end this lecture.